Do you have a Roku TV? Do you have a baby? Do you want to turn the Roku TV into a baby monitor for $18 in a couple minutes of setup? I'll show you how next. Welcome back, everyone. So you've got a brand new baby. You don't want to shell out $150 to $200 for a baby monitor system. And you've already got a Roku TV in your house. Simply put, go to Roku or any shopping area and get this, the Roku indoor TV camera or security camera. It's basically a WYZE camera labeled for Roku and $18. Now these cameras were Black Friday $18, but non-Black Friday you should be able to still get it for way under $40. But $18 is what you should be able to shoot for on sale anywhere. And you know, the bottom can adjust. This pops out. It comes with little magnets that you can use to stick it on things by magnet, and then you can tilt it up this way, or you can put it on a nail, or you can just set it in the crib like that, which works really well for our 6-month-old. And you say, well, I'm technologically challenged. Well, all you have to do is basically just plug it in. And then you're going to download the Roku Home app and sign in with your Roku name that you use on your TV. And then I'll show you in 2 seconds what will happen. After you sign in with your Roku app, or your name in the Roku Home app, on your TV, this will automatically be downloaded and appear. This Roku Cameras app. When you select that app, when it's going to come up, it's going to show you all your available cameras, and then you just select it and it will come on live and it will show you, and it will be in color. But right now that room is fully dark, so it has infrared. And if you pay Roku a monthly fee, you can get a lot of other features, but really that's all you need. And your TV is now a baby monitor. You can check in throughout the day when they're sleeping. You can listen. And like I said, if you pay Roku, you can get baby noise alerts. You can get motion detection alerts. But really, you don't need that. I mean, if you buy a lot of Roku security apps, it might be worth it. But really, $18 and you're off and running. And this is a way better monitor than anything you're going to get for $150 with a dedicated camera that you can't use for anything else. So hope this helped. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.